po, mabilis po sila magtrabaho. So with that, MOA, I'm giving you an idea, Senator Legarda, for your airport. MOA with the DPWH, sila na tatayo. So yun naman po, Mr. President. I want to thank them for their work and mabuhay po sila. Maraming salamat, Mr. President.
Thank you, Senator Zubiri. Majority Floor Leader.
Mr. President, next to interpolate is Senator Nancy Binay. I move that she be recognized.
Senator Bina is recognized for her interjections. You may proceed, ma'am. You're recognized.
Thank you, Mr. President, and magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. Mr. President, meron po bang updated budgetary cost estimate para sa works to complete for the new Senate building ang DPWH?
Mr. President, from what we have gathered, there's a 21.73 billion total cost.